Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and today what I have for everyone is another case video for the iPhone 11. And in particular, this was kind of an impromptu purchase. Let me explain to y'all what happened. So, y'all have seen this case before. I've done videos on this case for my iPhone 11. I kind of made this case myself. I purchased the case, and then I got this Magsafe ring mount that I put on the back of the case. Well, the other day, this is one of my favorite cases for the iPhone 11. The other day, I went to take my iPhone 11 off the Magsafe mount after charging, and the magnet came off on the mount. And I'm thinking, okay, that's not good. Now, I was able to reattach it, and the adhesive is, working properly, but I'm like, okay, that's not good. Let's just go ahead and bite the bullet and get a case for the iPhone 11 with the integrated MagSafe charging in it, okay? Similar to what I have for my Pixel 6a right here, okay? So like, okay, let's jump on Amazon. Let me find a similar case to this for my iPhone 11. And honestly, I want to pose this question before we jump into today's video. I've had this iPhone 11 for going on almost 2.5 years now. And we are legit less than a week away from the iPhone 16 launch. Okay, I think the iPhone 16 launches are going to be on September 9th. It is at September 2nd as of the recording of this video. And I wanted to pose this question. I have always been interested in purchasing the iPhone 15 Plus. But recently, if rumors are to be believed, the 4th generation iPhone SE is supposed to be a similar form factor to the iPhone 11. And more importantly, it's supposed to incorporate the USB Type-C. So I was thinking that I might finally upgrade my iPhone 11 and get either an iPhone 15 Plus or the new iPhone SE 4th generation. So the question is, which iPhone would you guys and gals like to see me upgrade to out of those two options? Do you want to see the iPhone 15 Plus, or do you want to see the iPhone SE 4th generation? Leave your feedback down below. Just comment hashtag iPhone 15 Plus or comment hashtag iPhone SE 4th generation. I'll add them all up, and whichever one I see more of in the comments, that will be the device that I bring in to the channel and do my coverage on. Alright? So I wanted to pose that question because, I really want to see USB Type-C on the iPhone, and I'm really trying to do it in the most cost-effective way possible. And it's about time to upgrade the iPhone 11. It's still a great phone, but it's time to upgrade. So y'all let me know. Leave your feedback down below. Let's get into today's video though. So this is my unboxing and first impressions of the BENTOBEN MagSafe case for the iPhone 11. And y'all can see this is basically similar to the case that I have here. Okay, you can see it looks really similar, but it has that integration of the MagSafe capabilities. Again, very similar to what I have on my 6A right here. Okay, this way I don't have that same issue again to where the MagSafe magnet might fall off the back of this. It's not going to fall off because it's integrated into the case. But let's unbox this. Let me get into my first impressions, and let's start the review process on this. So first things first, the overall presentation. I like it. Basically see-through packaging. lets you know what phone is for right up here. So this is for the iPhone 11. Flipping it over, we got some warning and barcode inventory information here. Really, really nice. Okay. Let me crack into this. I think it opens right here at the bottom. Right here. And let's pull this bad boy out. Bam. That's it. Okay. Throw this packaging off to the side real quick. And yes, I like this. This is pretty much just like my 6A. Okay. Take out this foam insert. Yes. Nice Magsafe integration here. Throw this off to the side real quick. Yes. All the appropriate cutouts for the charging, the speakers, and the mics. Okay. Got a nice cutout for our cameras. Nice raised lip to protect the cameras. Little bit of company branding right there around the camera protection there. Nice stuff. Fully protected buttons. Nice cutout for our mute slider. Okay. Lanyard cutout as well. Right there. I like that. Good stuff right there. And I do apologize because black doesn't show up too well on camera. Yes, I like this. Fully protected power button as well. Alright, let's try this bad boy on. Now, it has been a few days since I popped my iPhone 11 out of this case. It's probably due for a clean. Yes, it is. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is why I always say you need to clean your devices periodically. This is just a couple days worth of time here. Let me clean this off. Okay. Got my microfiber cleaning cloth right here. And I'm probably due to give this a disinfectant clean as well. With all the dust and hair particles that build up from going in and out of my pockets, on and off of my stands. Yeah. There we go. Real quick cleaning for the video. So here we are, nice and fresh again. And y'all can see I do have a camera lens protector right here. And I also have a full screen protector as well. I'm just trying to maximize the resale value or the trade-in value for this and give it full protection if I do decide to trade in this. Okay. Now, most likely when I do upgrade, I probably won't trade in this. I do have a friend that's due for an upgrade, and I might just give her this when I do my upgrade, and so she'll have a pretty much mint condition iPhone 11. This is a 64 gig model, so I might give her this when I upgrade to either the iPhone 15 Plus or the iPhone SE 4th generation. Yeah. Really good stuff. So this pops on in there, no problems. And you can see it is screen protector friendly. And we do have our nice raised lip. Okay. All the appropriate cutouts for the power and mute sliders. Cutouts for the charging and speakers and mics. Still got the same clicky buttons. Nice. Nice. And now, more importantly, let's check the Magsafe. Okay. Okay. Magsafe is working. Alright. So this should work on my Magsafe mount as well. So good stuff there. So then it just comes off easily. And also this should work perfectly for the Magsafe mounts that I have in the car as well. But particularly for me, I use Magsafe wireless charging to charge this device. So I don't really plug this device in anymore. I use Magsafe charging for this device. I'll throw up some B-roll of that in post, letting y'all see that that is working as well. But first impressions of the BENTOBEN case, MagSafe case for the iPhone 11, I really am liking this. I'm liking this a lot. A lot. And again, this looks very, very similar to the DIY case that I put together. So you can see very, very similar. Similar protection, similar MagSafe mount area, similar button protection, similar cutouts. Yeah. And the price on this one was pretty good as well. I'll throw up my digital receipt in post so y'all know exactly what I paid for this one. But yeah, that does it for my first impressions. Now, I'll probably rock out for a week and come back with the full review for this one and let you guys and gals know if this one is worth picking up. But if this video piqued your interest, all the affiliate links as to where you guys and gals can pick this case up for your iPhone 11 will be available down below in the video description, along with all of my other MagSafe accessories videos for the iPhone 11. So if this video piqued your interest, all the links will be available down below in the video description. And as the name implies, that will contain affiliated links down below in the video description. And if you decide to make your purchase using those affiliate links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate links a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. And that makes the video description a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. All right? Today's video was recorded using the primary cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus with no external microphone hooked up. Today's video is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS, and I am using my professional studio lights here today. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated, and remember to keep it respectful, please. I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. All right, I wasn't really expecting this to be a one-to-one, but it turned out to be a one-to-one. And I'm going to clean up this case and put it in my collection of other iPhone 11 cases. Yeah, I think when I upgrade this iPhone 11, I think my friend is really going to enjoy this device, and she'll have a bevy of case options to choose from because she's super clumsy just like myself. So it is what it is. All right, y'all. Have a good one, everyone. I'll catch you guys in the next one. We're out of here. Peace.